So add two numbers. Add two numbers. Can anybody give me two numbers, please? Quickly, two numbers quickly. Let's see who is active.
89.
44 plus 39.
Okay, Kavita told 89 and then
80.
And 80 and one more from another person. Darren,
72.
72. Okay. Now I want to add this. So what I'll do, A plus B, okay, store it in a variable called as sum. If you tell sum, it will tell who are you. You have to tell I am also of type integer. Just like A is of type integer, B is of type integer, like that sum is also of type integer. It is not Boolean. You are adding A plus B integer, so it will also become integer. So you have to give an integer here. Now I will tell sum of A and B. This is for messaging. As it is, it will come. And then here I'll tell sum. Now the output will come. This is a very bad program. This is very bad program because of these two. Okay? Because you are giving the data inside the program. It is like somebody, it is called hard coding. Okay? It is called hard coding. Okay? It is called hard coding. Okay? Hard coding. If you give the data inside the program, because this program will run only for these two numbers. It will not run for any two numbers. So in the interview, if you write this type of program, they will think you are coming from some institute. You should follow the guidelines. You should follow the guidelines. Okay. So you have to ensure that you give the number set dynamically. It is like somebody is selling you a calculator. Somebody is selling you a calculator and they are telling, okay, somebody is selling you a calculator and they are telling it will only work for 89, okay, plus 72. Will you buy that calculator? Only these two numbers you can do. So you have to read the numbers dynamically, okay, dynamically at runtime. So what I'll do, I'll comment these two, okay. I'll comment these two. So control shift and forward slash, I'm commenting. And I'll bring this program down, okay. This also I'll comment it. Control shift and forward slash, okay. Now I'll bring it down. Now one line of code I'll write. One line of code I'll write. Okay, this is part of object oriented, which I'll be doing in another 5-6 classes. I'll start. Like you are creating an object, right? This is the formula for creating an object. This is the formula for creating an object. It is not that only integer data type or character data type Boolean. You may have to create a student class and Anil is the object. You may have to create an employee and Sushma is the object. Means it will have the behavior, just like God, nature is creating a template first time. We are also creating a template, student, employee, cricketer. And then we'll create the real-time objects out of it. First one template, man, woman does not exist. But Anil, Sunil, Sushma, Geeta, they exist. So this is the way you create an object. This is a constructor. This is a new keyword used to create a new object in memory. Forget about it. Forget about it right now. Why I'm asking you to do, right? Because when I'm giving you some questions, okay, try to find whether a number is prime or not, whether a number is even or not, or reverse a number. Then you should take any number you should take, not 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, prime means only 7 I'll take. or 6 I will take and write the program. Any number in the world, you should be able to take. That is the way you need to write the program using scanner class. So with your permission, I will write one line. Just practice it few times. Okay. Just practice it. Okay. 5 times. Write it with pen and paper. Please write it with pen and paper and share it to me. Okay. Write it in pen and paper and take a screenshot and share it to me this line. Okay. So if you write like this, right, this is a very powerful class. Okay. Which will allow you to take input from the system. This object, scanner class object, will be just like if you are creating dog. Okay, first you are creating dog template, and this is the object dog, first dog or second dog. Okay, it will bark, it will be loyal. So this guy will have all the methods and variables of scanner class. So it is giving me an error. It is telling, boss, you are using somebody else's software. Please import it. It is telling import scanner java.util package. If you go to JRE system library and you go here, and if you go to java.util and type S here, scanner class is there. 3000 lines of code is available for you to support you like this. 3000 lines are there. Don't worry. This is only one time we'll be doing, okay, in Java. So I'll import it. So now I can use somebody else's software. Because these are very powerful. Nobody uses all of them. Okay, only one or two here or there. Okay, so don't be overwhelmed by these things. Okay, these are nothing. So this will help me to read something at runtime. So I'll tell sc dot if I give, right? If I want to read a number, then I have to give next int. If I have to read a string like names, then I have to give next line. If I have to read decimal numbers, float or double, like that. But I need to read integers. Okay. Now, can anybody give me some number?
45.
45. That 45 you are reading and storing it. Okay. You are storing in a variable called a, which is of type integer. Otherwise, it will shout. Okay, who is this a? You tell a integer. Similarly, can anybody give me any other number now? Second number, please. Second number, please. Anybody?
96.
95, right? Okay, 95. I will store 95 in B. It is shouting because who are you? It is telling it is integer. That's it. Now I will release this guy. Control Shift and backward slash. Now, in this program, if you see in this program, you can take any number here, any number here. Okay, I'll show it to you. Now you people tell me, okay, I'll reduce the gaps. Can anybody give me one number I want to read? Any number, please.
1045.
Very good. I like that number, big number. Give me even bigger number now. That is your A. 1045 is your A. Now you did this one. Now you did this one. You stored it in A. Now you do this one. Anybody? Anybody? One more number.
4
58.
times 9.
4 times 9, right? 9999. Sorry, Hitler. Now you press the enter. You got the output. See, in front of you, I have taken two numbers and I'm getting the output. Okay. But there is a problem with this program also. Because when after 5 days, you don't know what to do with this program. So better give a prompt here. Okay. So if I give here SYSO control space, please enter some value for A. Please enter some number for A variable. Now if I run this program, only for A you will get a prompt like this. Then you will give some 456, 7, 8 like this you have given. Now second time nobody is giving you a prompt for B. Nobody has given you a prompt for B. Now if you tell, okay, one more number, okay, if you give one more number, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and if you press enter, it will give you the sum. But wouldn't it be better if I give a prompt for B also? Right? So now if you see the program, this has become very powerful now, SC. Okay. Now SC dot nextint means any number in the world you can give for A. Now a prompt will come. Any number in the world you can give for B. Okay. I'm just winding up in another 30 seconds. Okay. Any number for any number, enter. Any number, sorry, any number, enter. Clear, right? Everybody clear now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So step by step. This one line, please write it and share it to me in WhatsApp, please, on a high priority basis. Otherwise, you'll forget it. Okay. Write it in pen and paper and then share it. Okay. Yeah. Thanks everyone for your time. Thank you.